Well, good morning, church. I have the joy today, as always, this is one of my favorite parts of my job, to get to help share the story of one of our mission partners, the Prison Entrepreneurship Program. And at this time, I want to invite Mike Etcheson, who serves as the Executive Relations Manager at PEP, to come and join me here as we get to share a little bit about the ministry and about the resurrected hope that this ministry embodies. Mike, welcome.
Yes, thank you, and good morning, you guys. How y'all doing? Good, yes, thank you.
Yeah, so Mike, tell us a little bit about your journey into PEP.
All right, so my journey into PEP, I started as a participant. I actually was formerly incarcerated. Got introduced to the Prison Entrepreneurship Program, went through the program. I got second place in the graduation, in the business plan competition. Yeah, I felt the same way. I felt like it was somebody got paid off. And made it through, became a servant leader, came home, and they decided to give me a job. Wow. So yes, yeah. And started off as a life caddy or case manager and was elevated up to where I'm at now.
Oh, I love that.
Yes.
So, okay, but we have to know, every participant in PEP has a nickname.
Yes.
Okay, are you willing to share what your nickname was?
I can. So, just a little bit to get that. So everybody gets a nickname, yes. The reason why is part of the character development part of the program, and it's really to break down that exterior. We have actually a brother he's really big, and his nickname is Glazed Donut, and you're not too tough with a nickname like Glazed Donut. So my nickname was Michael Etcheson, a.k.a. Roger from American Dad, Francine. So that's what everybody has a little script like that they have to do. So,
I love that.
Yes.
I love that. So tell us a little bit, I'm not sure everybody understands kind of the PEP program in and of itself, both inside the unit and outside. So tell us just kind of briefly, what does that mean that you are a participant, that there's a character development, that you won the second in the business entrepreneurship? So tell us, how does that all fit together?
Yeah, so we start inside of the prison. Again, character development is a very big portion of the program, but we also have a business plan competition. So it's really setting the guys up in a position to be able to start a business, to be able to be productive to the community and society, and to give back. On the outside, they will have mentors. We continue to work with them, guide them, direct them, and to make sure that we stay on the right path. Yes.
Okay, so we've been talking, it's Eastertide season, so we've been, if you haven't heard it yet, we're talking about this idea that resurrection is not just a theological concept, but that it is a way that as Christians, as believers, that we embody everyday resurrected hope. So what are some ways that we might be able to serve with PEP and embody that hope of Easter?
Come to prison. Come to prison with me, guys.
Should we have a Wilshire Goes to Prison Day?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right. We'll get on planning that.
Yes, come to prison. As I say all the time, it will be the best time you ever have in prison. So.
It is. I've been, and it is.
Yes. And the other part, I think, an open mind and an open heart when it comes to accepting individuals that's made a mistake back into the community and society. Yes.
Awesome. And then there are also opportunities outside, right? You all have a home?
Yes.
Close by?
So we have 2 transitional houses. We just purchased an apartment complex in Gadsden. Amen. And that should be in operation by the end of this summer. But yes, you can actually get together, a group, you can cook, you can cater the food. It's called a house dinner. You get to go to one of the houses and really fellowship with the guys, eat with them, learn about them. They get to learn about you. So it is a great time. And I will be there if you guys are going to bring some food. So.
Well, Mike, my last question to you is, how have you found resurrected hope? How have you found resurrected hope through your participation and also now as a staff member of PEP?
Through the volunteers. Through the volunteers that were sent to the program by Christ. That's That's truly how. The love is genuine. The support is genuine. There's nothing that's wanted back. And that's a big part of unconditional love. Mm-hmm. I'm going to do this because it's the right thing to do. Mm-hmm. And that's what kind of just transferred over to me is I need to provide this to somebody else that's been in the same position I have been in. I need to provide them with every opportunity possible to allow them to be successful.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, thank you again for being here and being present with us this morning. We're grateful for the work that you do, and we are grateful to be a part of it. So
yes.
thank you.
Thank you. Bless you.
Yes. All right, Wilshire, we're going to prison.